friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we are learning how to do the thermal stitch. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It is perfect for pot holders or mittens or pretty much anything that you want to be super thick. Cardigans would be really cute with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Hey friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so today, like I said, we're going to learn how to do the thermal stitch. This is one of my favorite textures. It's super popular right now. I'm obsessed with it. So for this tutorial, we're still using the Bernat Softy cotton that I use in pretty much all of my stitch tutorials. And we're using a 5mm crochet hook, or a size H. This one's pretty simple. All we're gonna do is make our loop, our slip stitch, or slip knot, and put it over your hook and just chain whatever number of stitches you want. There's no wrong answer, even or odd, doesn't really matter. And so we'll just make our chain, and then you can pause the video here if you need to make a longer chain. And then in the second chain from the hook, all we're gonna do is just do single crochets, but we're gonna go into the back bump, not this front part here. We're gonna go into the back bump of these stitches. And we're just gonna single crochet in the back bump. Alright, so we've done our foundation row, and you can also use a foundation single crochet for this if you prefer to, and I will have a link to that in the description below. But this is how you would do your first row. So your second row, you'll just chain one, turn your work, and then we're going to do single crochets in the back loop. So nothing super crazy, just single crochets in the back loop only. And then we'll chain one and turn our work. So now we've got 2 rows of single crochets. And then to start our thermal stitch, this is the fun part. So to start our thermal stitch, we've already done our chain one, and we're gonna go into the back loop of this first row, and then the back or the front loop of the previous row. So both of these stitches here, yarn over and complete your single crochet. And then you'll continue this all the way down your stitches.
And then you want to make sure you get in this last row here, and then you will chain 1 and turn your work. So this is what the thermal stitch will start to look like. And then you'll just keep repeating that same thing over and over again. So we'll just go through both loops on the 2 rows, and we just make them go together. And you chain 1 and you turn and you just keep going. Alright, so I've done a couple more rows of this just to show you what it looks like filled out, but I wanted to show you the last stitch. I know is kind of tricky, and I wanted to show you where those bars are. So when you open up this last stitch, you can see right here there's a bar and then there's one behind it. Those are the 2 that you work into. So you just go right into the middle of that, and they're gonna be tight. And those are the 2 bars for your last 2 stitches. But yeah, so that is how you do the thermal stitch. So if you have any questions or any comments, just leave those below for me. Like I said, love this texture. It makes a nice super thick piece of fabric, so it's great for like washcloths or pot holders or sweaters or whatever you want to make super thick. But yeah, so leave your comments below for me, and make sure you guys have liked and subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!